Hello, my name is Brooklyn.
And my name is Riley.
I'm in the 6th grade,
I'm in the 3rd grade.
and we will be making a mixing slime video. Today we will be, we made some slime with 6 bottles of Elmer's glue,
And what
some
we have
shaving cream, and some contact solution or Tide. We will be showing you it, and then we will mix some with it. We're only going to show you a few pieces at first, and then we will show you the whole batch, okay? So, let's get on to the videos. Get some, okay, this is
it.
some of it. And this is the slime we're going to be mixing it with. And it's about the same color. And this is like going to make it like butter slime, basically. So anyway, I'll show you all of it now. Hold on, let's mix it. We're going to mix it. And it doesn't change anything, basically.
But it makes it stretchy.
Yeah, it makes it like stretchier. It's like butter slime now, basically.
So we will be, if you subscribe to this video, we will be giving away a candle.
And then we will be showing
We'll be
you
giving away some slime.
a candle. If you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. And this is the whole batch. It's 5 gallons. It's a big thing of it. We use probably, I'm saying 6, probably more than that. Because I bought some 6, and then we went straight to the store and bought some more after we made all of it.
We'll be having a gymnastics video next time.
Okay.
If you like us, please subscribe.
And we will be showing you, us playing with this slime, okay?
It's like so satisfying.
Yes, it is. And we love the color.
I hope you love the color too.
And just comment if you win. We'll ask what color you would like.
And we will make
And your number. And we will make you some if you win.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.